Press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac. The Find and Replace dialog box opens with the Find tab active. Type the name you're looking for in the Find What box at the top. You can search for a full name like David Smith, or just part of a name like David. Now you have two options. Click Find Next to jump to the first cell containing your search term and highlight it. Click Find Next again to move to the next occurrence, and keep clicking to cycle through all the results one by one. Alternatively, click Find All to see all the matches at once. A list appears at the bottom of the dialog showing every cell that contains your search term, with the sheet name, cell reference, and value. You can then press Ctrl A to select all the results at once, which is useful if you want to apply formatting to all of them. Once you've found what you need, close the dialog by clicking the X button or pressing Escape. The cell or cells you found stay selected so you can edit them or work with them straight away. If you need to refine your search, click Options at the bottom of the dialog to expand it. From there, you can tick Match Case to make your search case sensitive, so Mark won't match Mark. You can also tick Match Entire Cell Contents to find only cells that contain exactly what you typed and nothing else. For example, searching John won't match Johnson. You can also use wildcards in the Find What box. A question mark matches any single character, so J.Hain finds both John and John. An asterisk matches any number of characters, like J. To find John, Jason, and Jonathan, if you need to search for an actual question mark, asterisk, or tilde character, put a tilde before it. That's how to search for a name in Excel.